And so this trade actually did take me out for a beautiful 2.77R. And then where do I target next? Well, this is where you want to find these swing points or potential draws on liquidity in order to validate a trade where you can see market makers trying to push market to. And so an example here, well, this 930 formed a very aggressive high, aka that 930 open high, right, at that I have marked in my chart here. And so with this long entry, I was actually targeting this 930 open for this long position, because here we see we had an aggressive closure, an aggressive rejection off that 930 open, and then a 2 candle body down closure that then manipulated this 8 AM low. So this now became a valid long entry for me, where I was targeting this 930 open as my trade. And as we see here with all of my trades, I always like to shoot for a 2R on these positions because we want to remain consistent in terms of risk management to some extent. And now we'll just let this play out and see what happens for this long setup. We see here, we get a very aggressive closure back above, approaching this 930 high, until finally we were taken out of this trade where we swept out that 930 high. Now let's see what happens when market, once we retest this 930 open, what do we see happen with market? Well, we end up rejecting off that 930 open, since once again, that becomes a draw on liquidity. And so this trade actually did take me out for a beautiful 2.77R.